Hello and welcome to my channel, Guitar Stuff This Guy Does. On this channel I will upload the videos documenting my amateur guitar projects. Here you will witness my journey from being a noob with spray cans to where I can now build almost any guitar body I want or copy an existing design. If guitar building, modifying or repainting is your thing, and whether you are looking for inspiration for your own project ideas or just watching for pure entertainment value, then this content is for you. This is not a collection of how-to videos, but I try to explain my process and methods as best I can. My adventures in guitar projects started when I wanted to repaint a second-hand guitar that was well used and all scratched up. That started my obsession that led me to accept a request to make a replica of the Gene Simmons Axe bass. If I was a professional, I would call it a commission to make a custom build, but I just saw it as a challenge that made me work harder to complete the project with a higher standard than I would have set for myself had it been my own project. And just so you know, I don't make the necks. I only have a basic workshop set up and don't have the right tools to make necks. For now, I'm getting by with necks I have bought to suit the project when it's required. At this stage, 10 guitar-related projects are done, which will be uploaded when I complete the editing, and I have 3 projects that I have plans for that will be uploaded later. The list of projects starts with my first repaint project that turned out as well as a first project would, but because it can be learnt from, I still don't mind sharing it for the world to see. You might be wondering why I did not start uploading these projects as they were completed. Well, beyond procrastination, I have a few valid reasons for the delay. The latest excuse is that I was about to finalise the 9 projects and then I was asked to make the Kiss Axe bass guitar. Being that it was for somebody else, I felt that I had to put the video editing on hold for a while and focus on getting it done first. For just some videos that I wanted to share on YouTube and may not get many watches, I have put a lot of work in on the production. It's just been another passion of mine, and I did not mind putting in the additional effort to see if I could release a series of videos that had a certain standard of production. As I have no other outlet for my audio and video production skills, I thought that I would apply them here. This is a channel just for my series of guitar-related projects, and I am not trying to become a full-time YouTube uploader. But when I do upload a video, it will be with just a waft of style that is my own. Before this video is done, I would like to say hi to any of my friends and family who are watching and who have known about these videos coming for a long time. I want to thank you for looking me up to watch at least 1 or 2 of my videos to see how much time and effort I have put into completing these projects. In the same vein, to anyone who has stumbled across my videos and thought to check out this channel introduction, thank you for watching. I encourage you to check out my playlists so you see the larger projects playing out in sequence across the multiple parts. If you haven't seen my Axe bass video or my other latest projects, it's because I'm not done editing them yet. And the best way to keep track of this channel in future is to subscribe and click the bell for the notifications of when any new videos are uploaded. Otherwise, you can expect them in mid to late 2019. I have also created a channel called Other Stuff This Guy Does for videos I upload of all my other random projects I want to share that are not guitar related. So check that out if you want to see me tinkering around with other stuff. I'm sure I will make another talking video like this down the track, but for now this is about all I need to say. My only request is that if you like some of my videos, is that you leave a like and be kind in the comments. Again, thanks for watching. Please be patient with my future releases. That's all I have to share with you for now, so until next time, have a bloody good one.